Chick-fil-A Spicy Deluxe Chicken Sandwich. Finally, the review is here. So it's got pepper jack, cheese, tomatoes, lettuce. It might have pickles. Fire. Chick-fil-A sauce. I'm giving the sandwich a 9.1 and the sauce another 9.1. Let's try the fries. A lot of people hate on these fries for what? These are fucking bomb. Huh? With the sauce? I'll give the fries an 8.1. Chick-fil-A got the best chicken sandwiches. Like, share, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell your girlfriend for me. Herbs and Serves reviews every Thursday. We out, bruh.